This is PC747 from the nextup.net. So I'm going to do a follow-up again to the OnePlus 6T, as I want to use this video to show you guys how to change up your launcher and to go through a couple of the settings to kind of help you personalize your phone to the way you want to. Now, this OnePlus 6T that I'm going to be using is actually a locked version straight from OnePlus. So I'm going to actually have to grab a T-Mobile version to see if this will work, but it should. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to settings. And by the way, to change your settings, let's say if you have your current, which right now I have the Pixel launcher, I want to go back to the original OnePlus 6T launcher. And to do that, you're going to want to go to settings, which you'll see I go here. Go ahead and go to app and notification. And you're going to see home and browser. You click on there. You're going to go to home app. We're going to change that to the stock OnePlus launcher. So out of the box, this is how your launcher will look. If you go to the left, you have the never settle. You have the option to change your toolbar, dashboard, cards. You can add a couple other things to here. You have your app drawer here, and so on. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to work on changing the launcher. And again, this is your launcher, pretty much where you saw the Pixel option that I had from the beginning. Let me go back. Launcher, aka your home app. That is what that is. So let's just say we want to change it up. And we're going to choose something that, maybe something that someone may want to check out. So let's go ahead and go to the Play Store and find us a launcher. And let's type in a launcher. So let's just play, for example, let's say you're someone who came from iOS or an iPhone and you want to kind of make your phone look like an iPhone. So let's do that real quick. iPhone launcher. Now, what I like to do is go ahead and look by ratings, and I would have played around with this earlier today, so I know this one will work. So we're gonna go ahead and install this one. All right, installed. Open. Hit allow. Deal with ads. Let's go ahead and go home. So I'm not going to make it the default right now. For now, we're going to just go ahead and check it out. Let's say just once. Got it. And this is what we're looking at. So it's pretty much just like an iPhone. You go to the left. You got your widgets here. Swipe to the right. You have all your apps. And no app drawer. So this would be the way if you wanted to customize your app drawer. Now let's see what options we have here. So let's go into settings. So notification badges. That's pretty much it. That's all we have right there. So let's see what the system touch is. Okay. So if you want to add more features to make it look and feel more like an iPhone, that'll be things you can do. But you know what? We've done that already. Let's go back and let's play around with something else. So we want to uninstall this one. In fact, let's play around with the stock Pixel launcher. And let's go ahead and make that one our own. We already got it installed. So let's play around with a couple of icon packs and see if we can make it the way we want. So let me go ahead and type in icon packs to see what comes up. See what Delta icon pack look like. You know what? Let's go with that. That's minimalistic. So let's go ahead and install that one. All right, got an icon pack installed. So remember, with the OnePlus launcher, if that's the one you want to use, as you'll be able to change your icon on this launcher. You go home, press and hold, hit home settings, click on icon pack, and you'll be able to change to one of these, which I forgot I had one installed. But let's go ahead and make that Delta. Hit home just once, and that's what it would look like if you was to utilize that icon pack. Now let's say if you want more icon packs to play with, or actually you want more to customize. So unfortunately this, let me see, make sure I'm right on that. Oh, actually you can. So you can actually edit individual apps if you want to play around with different icon packs. So let's see if it allows us to do that. So let's switch here, and then we can go to, let's try Glass Pack. And let's say I use that right there. Done. So you can actually go and customize, edit this one as well. Let's use Oneplus version. We'll go with that one. Done. So you can go and customize each icon to change it to look any way you want if you want to mix it up a little bit. So let's go ahead and go back to your home screen. And let's deal with your widgets. So here are your, what you got right here as far as widgets. If you want to change that up, that's kind of the same thing. What you have to do is go back to the Play Store. Let's find a widget that works. Let's go with clock widgets. One clock widget I like is, or one of the ones I like to use would be the one back in the day from this one. I've always liked that one. So let's go ahead and install that. All right, you got that installed. Let's go ahead and go back to your home screen. So I'm going to press and hold and remove that off. Let's go ahead and add widgets. Let's find that clock widget that we just installed. There it is, weather widget. So we go ahead and press hold, put that here. All right, we got an ad here. Let's go ahead and remove that. There you go. I want to move that above that. And now we have a clock widget. So we got that set up the way we want it. Got that set up the way we want it. We're good to go. So this will be how you would set up your home screen the way you want it. So let's say, okay, you played around with it. You've been messing with it for a couple months, and now you want to get it back to stock. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go back. We're going to put it back to the way we had it. So first thing you're going to want to do, press and hold, go to home settings, go to icon pack, and choose which you have the Oneplus, that. So we got our icon back to where we want it. Yeah, if you want to change your widget back, just go ahead and delete that. We're actually going to keep that on there. And if you choose to uninstall some of these icon packs because you're not using it anymore from the app drawer. So there's two ways you're going to install it. If you see it in your app drawer, you can find it here and just uninstall it from that location. But let's just say, for example, and I think this, the one we just installed previously, may not be in the app drawer. There it is. Actually, it is. So press hold, long press. You can either hit uninstall here, or actually, correction, on the Pixel launcher, you can do it from there. So let me go back to there. Press hold, uninstall. Okay, done. And now we're back. Now we're gonna go back to the Pixel launcher or the previous launcher, which that's I'm gonna go to. Hit, and we're there. So this is PC747 with the nextup.net, just helping you out via phone, teach you how to set things up to get the phone to look the way that you want to. If you have more things and tips you would like for me to show you, leave your comment below, and I'll be sure to make a video dedicated to that. Thank you for watching. I'm out.